My name is Patrick Genseal. I'm retired Air Force. I was a chaplain in the Air Force for 20 years. Did 3 combat tours. You're a minister, so, Sunday services, marriages, funerals, the whole thing that your civilian minister would do. What makes us unique is we have privileged communication, which means whatever you tell us as a chaplain stays with us, because you can't tell folks what somebody said or what was shared in confidence or buddy was shot and killed, and that's just something you have to hold. I knew about service dogs for a long time. I knew how good they were, but I didn't need one. You're not in a wheelchair, you're not on crutches, you don't have a prosthetic leg or prosthetic arm. Why do you need a service dog? My wife said, you really need to look into that, which I said, Well, then she told the kids, and the kids said, Dad, you need to look into that. So I did, applied, got accepted. After I got June and we started doing our thing, I noticed how much it helped, but the real kicker came when my daughter came up to my wife about 6 months after I got June and told her, in these last 6 months, my dad has come back. The neat thing about retrieving freedom is just the whole process. It's not here's a dog, go forth and prosper. It's here's a dog that fits you. It's nice having that companion, but also a companion that's loyal and a companion that's there to help when you need it and even when you don't think you need it.